loud, isn't it?
You better go home. Get ready to go home. You got to.
Here comes your nose. Loud as hell.
Yeah.
How many loads yet, bro?
Get out of here. Go on, go on. Should have known. Oh, I should have known.
Here it goes.
Oh, my God damn. You're a nerd, boy. Get him out of here. Son of a bitch.